Good afternoon to all. Let us start the exercise 21A from the book Innovative Math Books for class 9. Basically, the chapter is trigonometrical ratio of complementary angles. Okay? Trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. The sum belongs to question number 8. Find the value of, see, I am writing the first part question. First part question given 2 root 2 cos 45 into cos 60 plus 2 root 3 sin 30 into tan 60 minus cos 0. For this question you have to memorize all the trigonometrical table values. Okay. Now see 2 root 2, what is the value of cos 45? What is the value of cos 45? That is 1 by 2 root 2, 1 by root 2. Into cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. You have to memorize, otherwise you cannot solve. 2 root 3 sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Tan 60 value is root 3 minus cos 0 is 1. After that you see how much you are getting. Just to see. 1 root 2 will be cancelled here, 2 be cancelled, what is left? 1 left. Here 2 cancel, root 3, 3, now minus 1. 1 plus 3 is how much? 4, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 equal to how much? 3. So what is the answer? Find the value of, means number 8, first part, answer is C. Let us solve the second part question for question number 8, exercise 21, Innovative Math Books. Chapter is trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. Second question given cos 0 plus sin 45 plus sin 30 plus sin 30. You have to give the bracket close into second sin 90 minus cos 45 plus cos 60. Okay, now I put the value of all the parts. Cos 0 is how much? 1. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. This bracket sin 90 is 1 minus cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. After that you see how much you are getting. 1 plus 1 by 2 is how much coming? 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. And here 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. After that you have to apply a plus b whole into a minus b formula is what? A square minus b square. 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square means 9 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So what is the LCM? 4 and 2, that is 4. This is 9 minus 2 coming 7 by 4, that is 1 3 by 4. 1 3 by 4 is the answer. Okay, 1 3 by 4 is the answer. Just to see. Next I will go to third part. I hope it is clear for you. Third part. Question number third part of number 8. Question given like this. 4 by 3 tan square 30 plus sin square 60 plus sin square 60 minus 3 cos square 60 plus 3 by 4 tan square 60 minus 2 tan square 45 degree. Okay, now solve one by one. 4 by 3, what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is root 3. Tan square given, tan square 30 means tan 30 is root 3 whole square. Sin 60 is how much? Root 3 by 2 whole square, because sin square given. Minus 3 cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2, that whole square. Plus sign. Now 3 by 4 tan 60 is how much? Root 3, that whole square, because tan square given. Minus 2 tan 45 is how much? That is 1 whole square. After that you see how much you are getting. 4 by 3, this is root 3 whole square 3 plus root 3 whole square 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus this will be root 3 whole square 3 is 9 by 4 minus 2. After the normal simplification is there, 3 3 will be cancelled. 4 here minus 2. Keep it like this. After that, 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 cancel. And this is 9 by 4. 4 minus 2 is how much? 2 plus 9 by 4. The LCM is 4. 8 plus 9, that is 17 by 4. Or you can write, you have to make it mixed fraction. 4 4 is 16. 4 1 by 4 is the answer. Let us go to number 4th part of this question. Number 8. 4th part question given 14 sin 30. 14 sin 30 plus 6 cos 60 degree minus 5 tan 45 minus 5 tan 45. Now put the value of sin 30 is how much? 1 by 2. You have to memorize. 6 into cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2 minus 5 into 1. Finally, how much you are getting? This will be 2, 7 ja, 7, 2, 3, this is 5. 10 minus 5 is how much? 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. This is the answer of number 4th part. And this is the last part of question number 8. Just to see question number 8, find the value of this. The 4 questions are there. 4 questions are completed. Try to practice more sums. Okay. And last I will do number 9. Just see. Number 9 question given, evaluate. Just to find the value of this. 2 tan 35 by cot 55 whole square plus cot 55 by tan 35 whole square minus 3 sec 40 by cosec 50 degree. This is the question. You have to find out the answer of this question. 2 tan 35 I can write here, or tan 90 minus 55, yes or no? Tan 35 means I can write here 90 minus 55. Tan 90 minus 55 means cot 55. Directly I am doing cot 55 and that whole square. Okay, this part completed. Again, same thing. Cot 55 I can replace by 90 minus 35. Cot 90 minus 35 means tan 35 by tan 35. One step of jumping. It is easier because already I have solved this type of question. Sec 40 degree I can replace, that is 40 degree means 90 minus 50 degree. 90 minus 50, sec 90 minus 50 means cosec 50 degree. Cosec 50 degree by cosec 50 degree. Now see how much you are getting. This will be 2, 1 whole square, 1, and this is also 1 minus 3. 2 plus 1, 3 minus 3, how much? 0. This one number 9 also completed. Okay, thank you for today's class. Next day do more sum.